हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे राम राम हरे हरे. So today we will try to understand about the importance of the chanting of holy name of Lord Krishna. So in the Kali Yuga there are thousands of faults. Kaler dosha nidhe rajan asti hi eko mahan gunah kirtanadeva krishnasya mukta sangha param raje. In Kali Yuga there are thousands of faults. Um, no, we will be facing difficulties in following the Shastra, Guru, Sadhus. Like that, there are so many practical difficulties are there to follow the injunctions of Shastra. People are not able to practice, like they do not give up the sinful activities like meat eating, gambling, intoxication, illicit sex, and people are involved in various kinds of sinful activities. They are cheating, they are actually into forgery or what is. There are various crimes because of the impure heart. There are various criminal activities are being performed. The crime has increased every day. Crimes against women, crimes against children, crimes against old people, animal slaughter, cow slaughter, and then deforestation and so many things. Human beings, asuras, the demons are creating great disturbances in this world. Vishnu bhakte bhave deva asuras tad viparyaha. So Vishnu devotees, they all maintain the universe. Asuras, they destroy the universe because naturally the asuras are tamoguna, tamasic people. They are actually, their nature is to destroy, whereas the pitrus they create, ancestors they create, the demigods they protect. The demigods are eternals, and so they are amara means they do not die. So they don't take birth or they don't die because they drink nectar. They live some kind of long life. They have long life. They are healthy, they are wealthy, they are intelligent, they are they charitable. So whereas human beings, they have very short life, and they have a lot of diseases. They have old age, they suffer, they take birth, they become diseased, they get old and they die. Human beings. So at least these people, human beings, are a little bit charitable. They are compassionate to some extent. To some, they are healthy also. But whereas asuras, they are actually, they have very short life. They want to enjoy everything within the short life. They don't have, they are not wealthy. They grab things, they cheat, they steal, they do all kinds of things. Whenever opportunities are they get, they immediately snatch away everything. So they have very short life, asuras. So because they kill others, they also they also die untimely. They, you see, asuras, like they live in the western quarters, southwestern quarter, northwestern quarters. They are asuras. They live. Northwest is airy, air element. West is water element. Southwest is earth element. You see, earth, water, air. These three elements, like asuras, they live. Whereas this side, if you see, the fire, and then again fire, again the space, all demigods they live. The space, the demigods they live. Heavenly places, the demigods live, and then fiery places like sun, planet, demigods live. Venus, next is southwestern quarters. There also Indra is controlled. Venus also is under Indra's control. Shukracharya is a predominant deity for that, but still it is Indra's control. Indra is the king of all the heavenly kings. All the 9 planets, Indra is leader of the king, demigods. So, Kali Yuga, there are so many faults, but still we can chant the Hare Krishna mantra. This will give us relief from all the sufferings in this world. As I already told, these asuras, they are creating a lot of disturbance in this world, um, polluting the water, polluting the air, polluting they are encroaching the water reservoirs, um, killing the mass slaughter of cows um, for flesh, Asuras, Asura civilization, full of enmity with Lord Vishnu. Tamaguna, complete darkness, ignorance. They are lazy, they are misguided, they are unfortunate. People in Kali Yuga are lazy, misguided, unfortunate. Uh, they are actually, even somebody is interested in spiritual life, there are people who cheat them. You see. Um, First of all, they are unfortunate. They do not live long life. They have very short life. And secondly, they are also misguided. If somebody is interested spiritually, there are people who misguide them. Hmm? So next is, so if you want to chant, we should always keep the mind pure, our body pure, heart should be pure. We should not be having enviousness or jealousy or madness or lust, anger, greed. All these impurities we should give it up. We should invite Lord Krishna in our heart. Mama mana mandire gruhanishi. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur is singing in temple of my heart. So we should invite Lord Krishna to reside in our heart and reside in our houses, to make it our house itself like a temple. Take the care of the body which is like a temple. Lord Vishnu resides in the body of every living entity, so it is better not to harm anybody unnecessarily. So we should respect all, because Lord Vishnu resides in the heart of everybody, every living entity. From him everything comes. So we should be honest in our activities. Should work hard with our talent, whatever talent God has given. We should work with that talent, and then in that way we will progress. So we should have good intelligence. We should not misutilize our intelligence. We should read the scriptures which is given to us, sadhu. We should follow the sadhus. We should follow the guru. We should follow the shastras. We should associate with the good people, those who follow shastras. We should associate with them.